Pretty choppy, active day in the NASDAQ. Let's go over the trades on the day. Minus 285 in the 50K portfolio, minus 200K in the minus 1725 in the 200K portfolio, trading 6 micros. And on the week, minus 2525 on the 200K, minus 435 on the 50K. And we're down about 6,000 on the month on the 200K, and down about 1,000 a month on the 50K portfolio. So we're kind of treading water here. We had a good March on this portfolio. It's been a very choppy month, very one-sided to the upside in April, seasonality. And so let's look at the trades on the day. You can see how the market, we were up pretty good at this low point on the NASDAQ, but then it kind of went to chop mode as we've started to see this pattern more and more. We're consistently at somewhere between 1130 and 130. It makes its low on the day, and it won't go any lower. It's propped up, continues to be propped up. We get Tesla earnings as well. So EVP1 stopped out on the day. This short trade was a profit. AT 2022 60-minute breakout, one winner, one loser on this strategy today. The net results are slightly profitable. Got continuation 2019, took a lot of heat, a lot of chopping here. You can see this trade. Time exit up on the day a little bit. Got continuation 2022, stopped out. Tick reversal, one of our top strategies, one of our new strategies, continues to do pretty well. Got this short trade, looked like a bad short after lots of selling. Took some heat, got out right here at the profit target. Got short again, got out at a time exit. So nice trade on tick reversal. And it isn't a pretty looking trade. These aren't the type of trades that you would like to see trades short here and short here and short here. But it's a raw strategy. And so tick wave down on the day, try to take a long trade here. Tick pulse V12, try to take 2 long trades, had some automation errors, had to manually correct. I believe those automation errors went in our favor. I'll have to look at the final results to be sure. Tick pullback 2022, down on the day. Cobra 2022, small profit on the long side. Cobra 3, lost on the day on the long side. And momentum reversal, up on the day, shorting the market, staying with it through all the ups and downs, getting out at the end of the day. So nice trade on that. So momentum reversal and tick reversal were the couple of the top strategies today, along with AT 2022. And let's look at ES strategies. Only 2 traded today. Cobra 3 down on the day on the long trade, adaptive moving average. Took the long trade, tried to take the short trade. Just a really sideways market, and we continue to see a market like this that is determined to go up with all the excess liquidity. I want to show you the Fed's balance sheet. So here is the Fed's balance sheet, total assets, and they have pledged to reduce the balance sheet by about $95 billion per month starting in May. Let's see what they've done recently. And last Wednesday, April the 13th, the Fed balance sheet hit an all-time high, $8.965 trillion. The previous high was here, 8.962. Not a new high by a lot, but they've promised to start to reduce the balance sheet to fight inflation. But as of last week, it made a new high. So pretty interesting, and that's what we continue to see. And so the question is, will the Fed actually do what it says it's going to do in May as far as reducing the balance sheet and raising interest rates to fight inflation? We'll see. And that is what we continue to see in the markets as well. Lots of propping action, continued money printing, so to speak. And this trend right here had gotten pretty cyclical. This downtrend had pretty cyclical, pretty easy to pick off. And so once you see a cycle like that, you know that that cycle won't last forever. So it had to either go up or down. And it's gone up for now. We'll see if it turns around and goes down. Oftentimes when you see congestion like you saw last week, here's last week's congestion. Here's the CPI report. The market rallied on high CPI. And then it was very choppy in this range at the end of last week. And this week it traded below the range. Now it's traded above that range. So it's taken out the lows of last week. And then it's taken out the highs of last week. Now will it turn around and go over and take out the lows again. And that's something that you can look for in this market potentially. Changing up the cycles and taking out lows, taking out highs, and then taking out lows again. Continue divergent price action. So will be interesting to see. 2 trading days left on the week, And those are the trades on the day for April the 20th, 2022.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.